Mike Epstein, Morning Flash Update for this Thursday. It'll be fairly quiet because a lot of people leaving for Labor Day, but it is August 29th, 2024, and we're about 8:20 a.m. Central Time. The end, as I like to call it, of the formal earnings season was yesterday. We saw the reaction to NVIDIA. It dropped fairly hard, got down to about a 10% drop, and it's come back a little bit this morning, so we'll see what that does. You can see that the stock indices are back up. So you kept the embedded reading in the S&P. It's up now, back up to the 5626 level. The Dow is higher. The NASDAQ is up 67. Again, it was shook yesterday. It's come back sharply today. I wouldn't call that a dramatic rise, but a rise. The Russell coming up. Copper down, but as you can see, the gold up. Gold just gave up $14 from its top here. Did get up towards that 25.60 level as the market's looking at what the day's events might hold, what PCE tomorrow might hold for inflation readings. The dollar index, another 33 points higher as we're dropping back in a number of the markets. I thought you might get to the 101.50 area in the dollar index. I mentioned that yesterday on my Australian interview on Aussie Biz TV. Beans up another 10 cents. Could be going back to the $10 mark here. Notes and bonds, keep your eye. The 210 is very close to going back to normal, where the back end is higher, so it's losing the inversion. You're about ticks. I'm talking just a couple of ticks away from that occurring. You're going to lose tomorrow in Bitcoin, the August contract. Time today to be switching over now to the Septembers. And you had to do that already, I hope you did, in Brent, because now you should be tracking the November, no longer the October contract. That goes off the board as well. Getting a little bit of a bid today in all of the markets. So, is it a reaction to the big declines yesterday? In part. We'll see what the markets want to offer. As you take a look at the day's data, you had the GDP come out stronger than expected. It came out up 3%. They expected 2.8. The chain-weighted price index was 2.5. That was also stronger than expected. When you take a look at the PCE price index, no, that was the miss. The advance was 2.6. This came in down 1, and that's one of the numbers the Fed looks at. The core PCE is the other, and that fell back from 2.8 to 2.9. We then look at the preliminary personal consumption, up 2.9. That was much larger, up 0.6 larger than the market was looking for, and final sales were a bit stronger. Then today we looked at jobless claims, a few revisions, but overall down 2,000 at 231, and the continuing were up 13 at 1868. So that kept that market on a pretty good track. We're going to get the National Association of Realtors coming out at 9 o'clock. We're looking for a slight increase in pending home sales. And for those of you that follow natural gas, we're looking for 44 billion cubic feet put in. Last week it was 28, but the average is around 43 at this time of the year. So when you put it all together, it's going to be one of these holiday type next 2 days of trade, then limited trading Sunday night and Monday, and then Tuesday back into the swing of things. I'm Mike Epstein. I'll catch up with you all at the end of the day today as we review the markets. You have a great trading day.